As we all know, we are in a time of information and technology. So the use of smart mobiles, tablets, computers, and laptops have been widely used. Yeah. Do you notice that young people are habituated to play with smart mobiles in darkness before sleeping, and white collars have to work into deep night every day. Experts at that uh, uh, work in the poor light makes your eyes focus more and cause the myopia to increase. So how to prevent those eye disease and issues?
好，
Okay, I'll introduce a product developed by Nanjing IoT Sensor Corporation Limited. Okay, this product is called the Smart Wireless Dimmer Switch. Yeah, and look at here. Yeah, this is a lamp. It looks regular, but equipped with a sensor. Okay, I will show you how to operate. Yeah, it can be controlled manually. There are two signs here, and this stands for weak light. This is ground light. Yeah, push the button, and you can look at here the upside. Yeah, it's strong, and now it's weak. Okay, yeah, this is the traditional operation, and we call it smart because we can operate it remotely by the smart mobiles. Okay, this is our software, and you can download from App Store and Google Store. Now I will show you how to operate it. Okay, choose the development and look, and you can touch the panel to control the brightness. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, look the lamp. It's weak, right? And put to this side. It's bright, right? It's very easy to operate. Okay, if you want to know more information about our company and products, please visit our website. Okay, bye.